Welcome to this Unity 3D tutorial. Today we're going to be importing some beautiful stylized assets directly from 3dcrate.com. So first things first, access 3dcrate.com and you're going to need to download this plugin at the bottom right. Now I've already downloaded it here. Essentially all you need to do is just import it into Unity so that the website and Unity can communicate with each other for importing models. So it looks like we've got a really cool scene here, but it would be nice to add maybe a bit more, right? Let's say I wanted to add a rock or something. So I could go to environments, and you see there's quite a bit of models here that I could import. And it's important to note that all of these models will be completely free to import as long as you subscribe. So you see I'm already subscribed to the website. So I have access to all of these models for free. So let's see if we can import this beautiful rock here. This looks great. Let's import this asset and we're going to place it somewhere just to show you how easy it is to import models. So you can see I was on the website, I selected something and I said import, and boom, it takes the zip, unzips it, and imports the model directly into your scene. And look how easy that is. This beautiful model, game ready, ready to go. Now it's great because you can always go back and get some more models. If I wanted, let's say, add some mining, rocks, other things. Let's see what we have inside forest. You can even add a building. If I go to houses, look at this medieval house. This looks fantastic. Import this model. Boom. See how easy it is? Just effortlessly find models that you need to quickly populate your scene and make it just absolutely perfect. Quite an amazing tool and technology that will really save some time. Here's our nice little house. Like, of course you'll need to scale it, right? Scale it to match the size of your character and all that. But that's basically it. Like this looks absolutely amazing. There are some other variations of the models. Let's say you wanted to have different variations. Sometimes when you import the models, they've got different variations. So this one here, let's see if there's a different model that we can use. Here's another one. This looks kind of good. This is 003, so I'll take this texture 003. You see it kind of looks better than the other one. So even when you download a model, you'll have different variations of that model. And you could really quickly make a nice little village. Here's a nice little tower, right? Siege tower, ready to go. So absolutely amazing. So again, that is 3dcrate.com.